And I appreciate Dawn efforts for organizing this event and giving us this opportunity to speak on this very much important subject of the day. Why it is important for Pakistan? Because this is, we are signatory to SDGs. And Pakistan is one of the, on the very high, fifth populous country in the world. We all know it. But as far as the provincial stance is concerned, so we have to look with a different kind of perspective for different provinces. Because the situation of KP, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the traditional society and our demographics is entirely different than Punjab and Sindh, whereas we are somehow, to a certain extent, closer to Balochistan. But we have to keep these dynamics in mind, and I feel that after devolution in 2011, we have progressed a lot, because at the moment our growth rate is comparatively with, to all the provinces, it's a little on the low side, it's 2.38. And then if you keep the situation, the conflict and the conflict situation and the terrorism situation and the other part of Pakistan. So we have traditional society, we have cultural situations where family planning is still a taboo and a challenge. So I'm just explaining this situation because I have to explain my position being a head of this department and how we are, despite all these challenges because of militancy, terrorism, the way we are contributing, the way our department is doing, and the way our government is committed. That's why, my actual stance is to give you the holistic view of my terrain, of my area from where I'm coming. So this is, family planning is not something which is easy, it is a challenge. So in that, in our capacity, we have tried to expand the service delivery network despite the terrorism situation, despite the militancy. We have established 260 family welfare centers in the settled districts and about 120 additional centers being established in the merged districts. That's underway. So we have also 43 mobile service units which are delivering counseling, contraceptives, and referrals in remote and mountainous areas. Here there is another issue. Because of the cultural conditions, our women is not that empowered who can make a decision for about family planning. The most of the decisions are made by the male counterpart, and that's why we try to engage very successfully the elders, through our jirga systems, and we have also tried to use ulemas, and we engage them in different kind of counseling. And besides that, our another initiative is we have successfully trained about 1,000 service providers for all these counselings, for the family fair, in which we have also trained doctors, these workers, as well as, though we still need a lot of training, still needed. But till the point, as we mentioned, we are discussing, we have 4 regional training institutes. Recently, we have established one in Dera Ismail Khan. And then we have also tried to engage social, we have collaborated with FPAP, like Green Star, Jaipago, Pathfinder, risk consultants, who are really try to strengthen our system and our services. So because social mobilization, youth outreach, and male engagement is very much required. One another thing which is from the point of and from the perspective of KP is that our youth, because we have 62% of population is youth, and therefore starting trainings for the youth is very important. I would like to mention another program here, which we have recently completed as a project, that is Adolescent and Sexual Reproductive Health project, which we successfully completed last year, and now we are taking these social mobilizers as well as psychologists on a regular basis. So these are few of the things which I wanted to share, and because we have CPR increased 42.8%, whereas our TFR is declined as per the previous record, and the population growth rate, as I mentioned earlier also, it is 2.38. So these are certain kind of things, and if you want, I can share more the major challenges and things.